representation of the aircraft up here. You're looking at almost the full gamut of advancement of aircraft. War with the B-16 Hawk, which was an open cockpit biplane. That's what we had in our inventory in the outbreak of World War II. All the way to the high-powered Supermarine Spitfire. The Spitfire was a British airplane powered by a 12-cylinder Rolls-Royce Merlin aircraft engine. It was saved in England from the onslaught of the Germans during the Blitzkrieg. I'm sorry, the Battle of Britain.
I was going to say, wrong one.
Well, yeah, you're right.
Question is now my World War II.
You know what? I'm glad we're both sitting down because I think you would have passed out on that one.